All right, welcome back to the channel. We are doing the roof, the roof, doing the roof of the Suburban. As you can see, this one right here is just terrible. So we're gonna get this done. Got these little clips right here. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you got these over here. Then we're gonna have to take the TV down. And then we got to take these little side panels over here off. Why am I talking like that? So let me get my tripod set up. And oh yeah, look at that. But as I got this on, look at the color. The two-tone looks pretty good, but I'm gonna just get the actual silver of the truck. So let me show you the front real quick. The front part right here. Comment down below and tell me what you guys think about that. But let's get this on.
As I wake up every morning, I wish the day would end, because a day without you in my life, I don't know how to mend. And I was like, hey.
Just a little bigger size right here. Alright, let it dangle down like that. All this exposed, so now let's get these little clips right there off.
And unguided, a blind leading chase. Thought I had a plan with you and me. Wasn't there enough my own dream, breaking me down to my knees.
Make sure it goes back. Move that out of the way and let's get these off.
I look right at the mirror, wondering if I'll be okay. My head is telling me nothing, it's got nothing left to say. And I was like, hey, oh, you were like, hey, no, no, I was like, hey, oh, you were like, hey, no, come on, let's rewind till I smile. That look upon your face, my heart is empty and unguided, a blind leading chase. I thought I had a plan with you and me. Wasn't there enough?
Alright, so this is how far I got. I got it down. Now I just got to do the wires up here. Let me show you a cool design. Very, very smart idea of what General Motors did with this thing right here. Okay, you got this right here, of course, for the grab handle. Instead of bolts, all you have to do is pull these down and then pull this down, pull the handle down, and it comes out instead of unscrewing bolts and all that bull crap like that, and it comes right down. So now maybe I need to put the seat all the way down like that as far as it goes. So let me do the all right, got it out. It's fairly easy if you take your time. It's fairly easy. It's a mess, but now I gotta try to take that one off. So let's get to it. All right, so what I had to do, the one I had got from the junkyard, I had to draw out all of the spots from the original over there. So let me get the cutting real quick. Let me cut this out. All right, so what I'm gonna do is take the DVD player out of this and put it in this one. So you got 4 screws, 2 right here and 2 over there. All right, got it off. So now let's put it on this one, and there will be 2 bolts right here. So don't forget them too. All right, I got this button up. Now I'm just gonna throw this in. I'm not gonna record it. I'm just gonna throw it in, then I'm gonna get to the part where everything's buttoned up. All right, so everything is buttoned up. I'm still gonna have to get like little pieces here and there, like window switches. Definitely gonna have to clean it up. I couldn't get the roof one off. I didn't know how to, so I just left it. So I'm gonna scrape that off. So yeah, definitely need to clean. But I tried to vacuum it the best I can. I'm gonna have to get my drill brush and get to work on this. Like this right here, I'm gonna have to get some glue and put some glue up there. Overall, I had cleaned it up. I'm gonna have to get these because they broke off. I'm gonna have to get this right here for the sun visor. There's that one too. I accidentally broke that one, but everything else, it starts right up and the TV works. Watch. Let me turn it on. I don't have a DVD in it right now, but I'm guessing push that button back there. It works. So I'm gonna have to get a disc and put in there. It's the power button. So yeah, that works. But otherwise, I got the roof on. Definitely need to clean. What I'm gonna do, but yeah, again, I'm definitely gonna have to get the right color for the fenders. But I did paint the bottom piece right there. I did paint that. Whew, today was a long day. A long day. But tell me in the comments what you guys think about the gold and the silver, like the 2-tone look. I'm not feeling it like that, like I was. I'm not feeling it like I was, but until the time being, I'm going to keep it on until I get the right paint color match and repaint it. So that's going to be it for this video. I really hope you guys like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and comment and tell me what you guys think, and I will see you guys in the next video.